65 Pontiac Bonneville 2 DRHT for sale in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin 54235, originally 421 Tri-Power. PHS Documentation Also, protecto plate and all manual Capri gold outside and interior, complete frame off nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Has been documented from start to finish. All original floors in trunk and sheet metal. Power steering, brakes, turbo 400, 308 Safe-T Trac. AM, FM with reverb. Rear window defogger, 8 lugs. Car has original water pump, power steering pump, wiper motor, heater fan motor, carbs and tags, vacuum linkage, air cleaner. All chrome done in concourse quality. All nuts, bolts, clips, brackets, linkage replated. All nose lenses. Car painted in PPG lacquer and clear. SMS interior. Only test miles. Owned car for over 40 years. Everything new. No expense spared. Asking $45,000 or best reasonable offer. Call for more info.